This is our shipyard in Germany. Here we are producing our luxurious and sustainable solar yachts for lakes and rivers. Our solar yachts feels just like a modern penthouse on the water, combining luxury with eco-friendly technology.
Floating on the water, I feel so free. On this houseboat yacht, it's the place to be. 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine, luxurious.
If you like modern yacht life, luxury boating, electrifying water toys, this YouTube channel is for you.
Let me show you some solar yachts under construction. Here we have a SolarYacht superstructure, a quick room tour on a 70. Here can be an office or a guest room. Bathroom. This 70 is still under construction. And here, the bedroom. And let me show you the hall. We connect both on the water, and it's called the wedding.
Wir schieben auch vorwärts rein, oder? Ja.
We hope you enjoyed our SolarYacht shipyard tour and the launch celebration of a brand new SolarYacht 70. Let us know in the comments what you would like to learn about our modern solar yacht fleet, and follow us for more boat life content.